everyone, today we are going to learn about the new chapter, that is memory and storage. Here you can see some of the contents that I have written: bits and byte, internal storage device, external storage device, and portable storage device. First of all, we need to know bits and bytes. What is bit? A bit is a binary digit, the smallest increment of data on a computer. A bytes are usually assembled into a group of 8 to form a byte. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1. A byte contains enough information to store a single ASCII character like H. It is American Standard Code of Information Interchange. You can see here bits and versus bytes. 1 byte equals to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes. Same way 1 terabyte equals to 1024 gigabyte. Now we will talk about some of the internal storage device. Here it is RAM versus ROM I am talking. A full form of RAM is random access memory. The information stored in this type of memory is lost when the power supply to the PC or a laptop is switched off. What is the full form of ROM? It's a read-only memory. Here it is permanent type of memory. It contains are not lost when the power supply is switched off. Now you can see the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is a storage, temporary storage. ROM is a permanent storage. Store data in MBs, store data in GBs. Volatile, non-volatile, used in normal operation, used for startup process of computer. Writing data is faster, writing data is slower. Now we will talk about few external storage device. First of all, we need to know what is external storage device. It also refers to the auxiliary storage or the secondary storage. It is a device that contains all the addressable data stored that is not inside a computer. It is in the main storage or memory. You can see here this is an external storage device. It is portable hard disks. Now we will talk about few more external storage device, that is hard disk drive, HDD. It is a non-volatile computer storage device containing a magnetic disk or the platters rotating at high speed. It is a secondary storage device used to store data permanently. Random access memory begins the primary memory device. It stores capacity up to 1 to 5 TB. Now we are talking about CD. A compact disc is a portable storage medium that can be used to record the store and play back the audio, video and other data in digital form. It was developed by the Philips and the Sony, and it was released in 1982. A standard size of CD is 120 mm, stored data up to 700 MB CD-ROM. Now we are going to learn about DVD. A DVD full form is digital versatile disc. A DVD is a type of optical medium used for storing digital data. A DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. A standard DVD can hold how much? 4.7 GB of data, and dual-sided DVD can be stored up to 9.4 GB of data. Now we are talking about some Blu-ray discs. A Blu-ray is an optical disc format such as CDs and DVD. It was developed for recording and playing back the high definition HD quality video and for storing the large amount of data. A Blu-ray disc can hold up to 25 GB of data. Now we are talking about something called pen drive. You can see the pictures here. Flash drive. A USB flash drive is a device used for data storage, and that includes a flash memory and an integrated universal serial bus, that is USB interface. A drive now comes in a capacity ranging between 8 GB and 1 terabyte or terabyte. Now this is your multimedia card, MMC we can say. A multimedia card can be used in many devices that can be used for SD card. Typically an MMC operates as a storage medium for a portable device in a form that can be easily be removed for access by a PC. The capacity up to 512 GB. Now we are recapping what we have recapped. We have done bits and bytes, we have done internal memory, we have done external memory, and we have done portable device. Thank you and have a nice day.